I have to win this art competition. But one fine Sunday, I was enjoying my break at my grandma's home. Then I saw this video.
Art competition.
To explain simply, it is a coloring competition. And winner's channel gets promoted in a channel over 10,000 subscribers. I had never won an art competition. On top of that, entry fee is 50 rupees. So I joined the competition.
Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my.
Even though the line art was already provided, but the quality is poor, hence double work. Now I have to draw line art also.
I go, got me running, got me gunning for thrones. Subscribe for endless creativity and fun.
Line art is done. Now it's time for coloring.
I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off.
Honestly, I do not like this coloring. Now I'm starting to feel disheartened. I don't think I'm gonna win.
To get to the top, then you must be rare. You got one shot, life ain't fair. Are you gonna win or is your place scared? I will not stop, I am prepared. To get to the top, then you must be rare. Got 'em like, hey.